Have you ever found yourself captivated by the gentle hues of rose quartz? Maybe its soft pink color has caught your eye, or perhaps you've heard about its romantic benefits and want to learn more. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on rose quartz, a stone that goes beyond mere beauty to offer a wealth of properties and benefits that can enhance your life. Rose quartz, often called the love stone, resonates deeply with the heart chakra. Known for promoting love, harmony, and emotional healing, what makes rose quartz truly special? Let's explore its origins and properties to find out. Rose quartz is a type of quartz that gains its delicate pink hue from trace amounts of titanium, iron, or manganese. It forms in large masses within igneous rocks like granites and pegmatites. Historically, ancient civilizations, such as the Assyrians, Romans, and Egyptians, revered this stone for its powerful properties. Egyptians even used rose quartz in facial masks for its beauty-enhancing benefits, while Romans crafted seal rings and amulets symbolizing love. Culturally, rose quartz is a universal symbol of love, peace, and healing. Its enduring appeal transcends time, as it is cherished today not only for its beauty, but also for its healing properties and historical significance. Emotionally, rose quartz is known as a powerful healer, encouraging empathy, reconciliation, and forgiveness. It promotes self-love and acceptance, enhancing self-worth and emotional balance. By embodying love and healing, rose quartz paves the way for emotional harmony and personal contentment. As a symbol of love, it attracts positive relationships and personal fulfillment, opening your heart to love at all levels. Its gentle energy encourages inner peace, making it a valuable companion on your journey towards emotional well-being. Rose quartz is said to have many benefits. It can enhance circulation, boost neuron connectivity, and provide stress relief. It's especially beneficial for the heart, aiding emotional recovery. It encourages self-forgiveness and self-worth, promoting a deeper connection to your authentic self. It fosters open communication and understanding, building stronger bonds. It opens the heart chakra, promoting love energy and spiritual awakening. Including rose quartz in your daily life can significantly impact your spiritual journey. Meditate with it to deepen your connection to your heart's desires, or place it in your living space to create a serene and harmonious atmosphere. To maintain its energy, recharge your rose quartz by placing it under moonlight or sunlight for a few hours. Cleanse it regularly with lukewarm soapy water and a soft brush, but avoid harsh chemicals and extreme temperatures. Rose quartz is a powerful ally in your journey towards love and healing. Embrace its gentle energy and let it enhance your life. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of crystals and their incredible benefits.